How do you say pink in Portuguese? The word pink in Portuguese is rosa. Rosa. Ela está a usar casaco rosa. Ela está a usar casaco rosa. She's wearing a pink coat. Adoro esta flor rosa. Adoro esta flor rosa. I love this pink flower. As paredes do quarto são rosa. As paredes do quarto são rosa. The bedroom walls are pink. The word rosa is called an invariable adjective, which means it doesn't change for feminine or plural words. It's always just rosa. So, carro rosa means a pink car. Uma casa rosa is a pink house. Uns balões rosa, some pink balloons. So it's rosa no matter whether you have a masculine noun, a feminine noun, or a plural noun. In Portugal, you may also hear cor-de-rosa, which is slightly more traditional, but it means the same thing, or literally colour of pink, cor-de-rosa. A mala rosa é nova. A mala rosa é nova. The pink handbag is new. Tens marcador rosa? Tens marcador rosa? Do you have a pink highlighter? Rosa é a cor favorita da minha filha. Rosa é a cor favorita da minha filha. Pink is my daughter's favourite colour. So if you want to say pink in Portuguese, you can say rosa. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado.